4-bit floating point is the precision the newest training chips are built around, but the E2M1 format hides a flaw. On average, the values it stores drift towards 0. Here's why. E2M1's representable values aren't evenly spaced. They sit close together near 0 and spread far apart as the numbers grow. So rounding to the nearest tick lands on the lower one more often than the higher one. That tiny shrink would be harmless if it were random, but on average it leans the same way, down, so it never fully cancels out. It compounds, layer after layer, quietly deflating the whole network. The paper calls it shrinkage bias. UFP4 fixes it with 2 moves. First, a Random Hadamard Transform shuffles values across channels, so no outlier is stranded out where the ticks are widest. Second, stochastic rounding, a weighted coin flip that's right on average, but only on the gradients where being unbiased matters most. The result, the systematic shrink is gone. UFP4 holds lower loss degradation than plain E2M1, from a 1.5 billion dense model up to a 124 billion parameter mixture of experts. And it changes nothing about the hardware.